So here we have this Dowinx gaming chair. Now there's a few different options you can choose from, but this is the black fabric chair. It is a nice 2.5-inch thick seat, nice firm cushion. The one I got's covered in this fabric. It's pretty soft, just a little bit scratchy. It's super breathable, but the downside is that it's not quite going to be as easy to clean as something like a faux leather. And speaking of cleaning, I'm not a huge fan of this two-part design where the cushion sits on top of the seat. It just leaves a big gap for crumbs or whatever to fall down and get stuck. Anyway though, the chair also has an extendable footrest. It is a little bit difficult to pull out though, and it only extends about 13.5 inches. It has a nice sturdy aluminum base with these upgraded casters. The armrests are also made of aluminum and they have a nice thick cushion on them. I like that. Not super sturdy, but it's comparable to all the other gaming chairs with the same type of armrest. Decent cushioning on the back, a little bit of cushioning in between here. Not as much as I'd like up here though. Of course, there's a lumbar support pillow that's adjustable up and down. It also has a massager in it that you can plug in with this USB cord here. The cord's about 5 foot long, but it doesn't have any button on it. It only has this sort of disconnect right here, so that's the only way to turn it on or off. The vibrating massager is nothing crazy, but I guess it's still nice to have. Then there's also this pillow up top for your head. It is a little bit loose, but it works. It's pretty comfortable, but like I said before, that lumbar support pillow is just a little bit too big. It has a standard lever to move up and down, as well as a secondary lever to lean back in the chair. Then of course you can fold the footrest out, and it's pretty comfortable. Definitely nice if you want to lay back and take a break while you're working, or if you just like to lay back while you're gaming. It doesn't lay back as far as I'd like, but it's a pretty standard angle for most gaming chairs in this price range. So yeah, overall it is pretty comfortable. It also looks nice. Personally, I would choose faux leather over the fabric, but if you want a little bit more breathability, it's not a bad choice.